this class, we will see a very important topic of NCERT and ICSE, that is called rationalization. Rationalization, how it is done of any fraction that we will do. How do you rationalize a denominator? So I will explain it in a simple manner. How do you rationalize any fraction? So if we take an example, 1 upon root 7. The basic of rationalization will be given in a video whose link you will find below this video. So check that video and you can subscribe the channel. You will have lot of updates on maths and science. So stay connected. So if there is a number given 1 upon root 7 and we are told to rationalize it. So in simple language, I will not complicate. We have to remove this root 7 from the denominator. So to remove this root 7 from the denominator, this is a single number. I will just multiply it by the same number because this is a square root. So I will multiply it by square root of 7. Same number I will multiply here and same number I will write in the numerator, and now the answer which I will get, that will be root 7 into 1 will give me root 7. Root 7 into root 7, when I will multiply, it will become root 7 into 7 will become 7. Now this answer is rationalized because in simple words there is no root sign in the denominator. So what is the basic of rationalization? You have to remove the root sign from the denominator. Let's take another example. If a number is given, same number, and it is 3 upon 2 root 7. Now this is different. If it is 3 upon 2 root 7, how will you rationalize? So in this question we are seeing that there is a root 7 sign. 2 is not having a root, it is not a radical, so we have to rationalize or remove this root 7. So following this rule, I will multiply it by only root 7. No need to multiply 2 again and multiply root 7 by the numerator. When I multiply, it will become 3 root 7 and 2 multiplied by root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into root 7 is 7. How is this root 7 into 7? That is explained by the basics of rational numbers given in the video below. So check that out. There is full playlist explanation of the whole topic. Here we are doing the concept of rationalization. So 2 root 7 into root 7 will become 2 into root 7 into root 7 will become 7. So my answer is 2 into 7. Root 7 will become 7. The answer is 3 root 7 upon 14. Now these are single rational numbers. If you are given a rational, now this is most important, if you are given a fraction like this, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. How will you rationalize? Now this is different from this question. In this there was a single term, so we multiplied by a single term. But in this case it is not single term, there are two terms together. So we will consider it as a binomial and take it as two numbers. Now to rationalize, in simple words, you have to just multiply again. In this we multiplied by root 7. In this also you will multiply with the same number, root 7 and root 6. But the difference is you will not multiply by same root 7 minus root 6. You will just multiply it by its opposite sign. That's all. So root 7 minus root 6 will become root 7 plus root 6. And this number is written in the numerator also. Root 7 plus root 6. We will continue this. Now see, if it was 3 upon root 2 minus root 3, it was plus root 2. There is a difference between the two. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by the same term. Same term but with the opposite sign. Root 2 minus root 3. This is plus here. I will multiply by minus. And it will become root 2 minus root 3. You will multiply. So in both the terms you have understood how do you and what number you have to keep. Now what is the answer? When you will multiply root 7 plus root 6 by 1, it will become root 7 plus root 6. Because this into 1 will become root 7 plus root 6. This is multiplied. When you multiply, this is a minus sign and this is plus sign. This will be multiplied by using an identity here also and here also. So you have to use a formula. And the formula is a minus b into a plus b. You must have done this in class 8. A minus b into a plus b gives a square minus b square. So to rationalize, we use this formula in this question. This is taken a minus b, this is taken a plus b. When you multiply a minus b with a plus b, it will give you this. So we have to write the solution of these two numbers in a square minus. So what is a? A is this is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. A minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b will become a square minus b square. So I will write it as a square minus b square. And the numerator is multiplying with 1, so it will remain this much. Denominator is a plus b, a minus b, which will become a square minus b square, which is the formula. Now, why are we using this formula? You will understand in a minute. The numerator, as I have said, the rationalized number can have root in the numerator, but the denominator should not have a root sign. When I will do root 7 square, it will be root 7 into root 7. So root 7 into root 7, what does it become? It becomes 7. And root 6 into root 6 will become 6. So root will be gone. So it will become 7. Root 7 square will become root 7 into root 7 is 7. And why it is 7? Because again you have to check out the video. You will understand the basic of rational numbers. Root 7 into root 7 is square root. Square root of 7 into 7 is 7. It is a pair. So this will become 7 and this will become 6. And the answer is root 7 plus root 6 upon 7 minus 6 is 1. So there is no rational number or root in the denominator. So the answer is root 7 plus root 6. This is rationalized. There is no root number in the denominator. This is how we rationalize a number. And the same thing we will do here. When I will simplify, what will this become? It will become 3. I am writing this again. So this will become root 2 plus root 3. And this will be multiplied root 2 minus root 3. When I will multiply root 2 minus root 3, I will keep the denominator with the opposite sign in the denominator. So this will be root 2 minus root 3. When I do this, this is multiplied, it will become 3 bracket root 2 minus root 3. And denominator will be solved with a plus b into a minus b. Again, same formula, a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So this a square minus b square, you will be writing as a square minus b square. It will become root 2 square minus root 3 square. Now the numerator is 3 into root 2 minus root 3, and the denominator will become root 2 square will become 2, 3 square will become 3. Now there is no root. What is the answer? 3 root 2 minus root 3 upon minus 1. So the number is having a minus in the denominator. So I can write the answer as minus, I can put in the numerator, minus 3 into root 2 minus root 3 is the answer. This is how we do rational numbers. So you can check out the revision of this. If you have any doubt or any query, you can come back to the video and type your query below the video, and I will resolve your queries below this, and we will do continue this topic in the next class. Stay connected and subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. See you in the next class. Goodbye.